Welcome to Car World Review. Today, we're taking you on a thrilling ride into the future of American muscle, the rebirth of a legend, the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner. This car isn't just a comeback, it's a resurrection of raw power, rebellious spirit, and pure adrenaline that once defined the golden era of muscle cars. Plymouth is back, and the Roadrunner is louder, faster, and smarter than ever before. The new 2026 Roadrunner has been designed to honor its heritage while embracing cutting-edge technology and modern performance. It's got that aggressive stance, wide, muscular body, and those iconic curves that made the original Roadrunner unforgettable. The front end features a bold, retro-inspired grille with the classic Roadrunner emblem right in the center, a nod to the 1970s icon. But the twist here is futuristic. Sleek LED matrix headlights, a sculpted hood with aerodynamic vents, and a front splitter that screams performance. The blend of old-school attitude and modern aggression makes it instantly recognizable and utterly breathtaking. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast. Plymouth didn't come to play. The 2026 Roadrunner packs a 6.4-liter supercharged V8 engine tuned to deliver an astonishing 720 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. This means it's ready to challenge legends like the Dodge Challenger Hellcat and the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. But it doesn't stop there. Plymouth also plans to release a hybrid performance version, combining electric assist with its powerful V8 to boost acceleration and improve efficiency. Imagine a Roadrunner that can roar down the highway and still run cleaner than before. That's innovation meeting legacy. When it comes to performance, squeeze. The 2026 Roadrunner is built on an all-new lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber frame, improving rigidity and reducing weight. The suspension system has been completely redesigned for superior handling. Featuring adaptive dampers and dynamic traction control, whether you're blasting through straight lines or carving corners, this car stays glued to the road. And yes, it comes with rear-wheel drive as standard, keeping the spirit of the original muscle car alive. For thrill seekers, an optional all-wheel drive setup is also expected, ensuring maximum grip for high-speed stability. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted by a perfect blend of vintage charm and futuristic tech. The cockpit feels driver-focused with a flat-bottom steering wheel, paddle shifters, and digital displays that adapt to your driving mode. The interior uses premium materials like Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber, giving it that high-performance luxury feel. There's even an old-school touch, a special classic mode on the digital instrument cluster that mimics the analog dials from the original Roadrunner. It's a nostalgic tribute that'll make any classic car fan smile. Technology is another area where the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner stands tall. It features a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with the latest UK ConnectNet 6.0 interface, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced AI voice assistant. A 20-speaker-acre Harman Kardon sound system ensures your favorite tracks sound as powerful as the engine itself. Safety is also top tier, with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to keep this muscle car safe without compromising performance. One of the standout features of the 2026 Roadrunner is its drive mode customization system. Drivers can choose between multiple modes: street, sport, track, and drag, each altering the engine response, suspension stiffness, steering feel, and even the exhaust sound. In track mode, the car unleashes its full potential with launch control and an active exhaust that produces that deep, thunderous roar we all crave. And yes, Plymouth has even added a Roadrunner mode inspired by the famous cartoon bird with a distinctive exhaust note and quick responsive handling that makes you feel unstoppable. On the outside, the car rides on massive 21-inch alloy wheels wrapped in performance Pirelli tires, and the brake system is handled by Brembo, ensuring world-class stopping power. The rear end features a sleek tail light bar running across the back, giving it a futuristic glow, while the dual exhaust pipes sit aggressively below. ready to roar at the push of a button. And for fans of personalization, Plymouth will offer several color options inspired by the 1970s, including Tour Red, Lemon Twist Yellow, and Plum Crazy Purple, along with new modern metallic shades. Performance numbers. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner can go from 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 3.2 seconds.
And reach a top speed of over 200 mph. That's pure, untamed muscle, backed by advanced engineering. Whether on the drag strip or open highway, this car demands attention. And thanks to its hybrid option, it's not just fast, it's smarter and more sustainable. Representing the next era of performance innovation, Plymouth has also focused heavily on aerodynamics, adding a sleek underbody design, active air vents, and a retractable rear spoiler for optimized downforce. These enhancements don't just improve looks. They make the Roadrunner faster, more stable, and more efficient than ever before. Every line, every vent, every curve serves a purpose. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a celebration of American muscle reimagined for the future. A car that combines power, technology, and design in a way that connects the past to the present. The Roadrunner has always been about fun, freedom, and performance. And the 2026 model brings all that back, louder, faster, and bolder than ever. So if you've been waiting for the true return of American muscle, the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner is here to make that dream a reality. It's not just another car, it's a legend reborn. From the nostalgic engine growl to the futuristic cabin tech, everything about it screams performance and personality. Get ready, because when the Roadrunner hits the roads, the world will take notice. Thanks for watching Car World Review. If you love classic legends reborn with modern power, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car updates. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner, the bird is back, and it's faster than ever.